5 interesting and amazing facts about pheasants. 1. Stunning variety. Explore the mesmerizing array of vibrant colors and intricate patterns showcased by pheasants worldwide. 2. Courtship spectacle. Witness the breathtaking displays of male pheasants as they compete for mates with dazzling dances and calls. 3. Natural habitat. Journey through diverse landscapes where pheasants thrive, from lush forests to grasslands and even snowy mountain regions. 4. Remarkable adaptations. Learn about the unique physical features and behavioral traits that help pheasants survive and thrive in their environments. 5. Conservation efforts. Discover the challenges faced by pheasant populations and the conservation initiatives aimed at preserving these extraordinary birds.